Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making one of the most delicious Ghanaian meals ever, rich, flavorful and absolutely comforting kontomire stew. And trust me, to make this stew extra delicious, you will need brown-steak mackerel in tomato sauce and brown-steak mackerel in natural oil. The combination of these two gives the stew an amazing depth of flavor that is so rich and satisfying. So if you love good food, stay right here because today's recipe is going to make you very hungry. First, let's prepare our ingredients. I already washed my kontomire leaves very well and slice them nicely. Now put my kontomire leaves in my cooking pot. Add enough water to cover the kontomire and also cover on low medium heat or medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes for it to get ready. Kontomire doesn't need a lot of time to be ready, so approximately 10 minutes should be okay. Now to a different cooking pan, I'm going to add in some oil and then allow it to heat up properly because we want the flavors to fry beautifully. Once the oil is hot, I'll go in with a little bit of momone or cured fish for that traditional flavor. Next, I'll go in with some chopped onions and also some grated garlic and ginger. Now let's stir everything together very nicely, and the smell of these ingredients frying is always the beginning of something delicious. It smells really good in here. Next, I'm adding tomato paste. The tomato paste helps give the stew a rich color and deep flavor. Stir continuously so it fries properly without burning. You want the tomato paste to become darker and lesser. This step is very important because well-fried tomato paste makes the stew taste so much better. Now I'm going to stir once again after about 5 minutes, and this is how it looks like. The tomatoes has really fried beautifully. Now I'm going to add some chopped fresh tomatoes. I didn't deseed it. You can feel free to deseed your tomatoes and you are good to go. Stir everything together very well, and next I'll go in with the rest of my ingredients. Just look at how perfect the color looks. I love it. Now for the star of the show, we're going to add some brown-steak mackerel in tomato sauce. This is one of my favorites. It is so good and it smells amazing. And also some mackerel in natural oil as well. This both took the stew taste to another level. In fact, these two together make the stew incredibly tasty. The tomato sauce mackerel adds a rich, tangy flavor, while the natural oil mackerel gives the stew extra richness and depth. I'm going to carefully add everything into a bowl and then mash it a little bit. You can also add it straight to the stew and that will be fine. It smells incredible already. This is the kind of stew that makes everybody enter the kitchen asking what you are cooking. The aroma alone is enough to make you hungry. Now I'm going to stir everything together very nicely and then cover the pot and allow it to cook for a while. But before that, let's go in with some pepper for heat. You can also use fresh pepper if that is what you want. Next, we're going to season it with some aromat shrimp seasoning and also aromat stew seasoning powder. Don't forget your salt as well. Now stir everything together once again, cover and allow it to do its own thing until it's nice and ready. Whilst that is going on, I want to also use this opportunity to thank all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for always liking my videos, sharing, and also commenting on my videos. I am very grateful. Thank you so much. Wow, look at that beautiful color. The kontomire has softened perfectly and it looks rich and flavorful. Now let's set it aside and then strain out the water. Next, we are back to check on the stew, and wow, the aroma here is incredible. It smells really good and the color of the stew looks absolutely perfect. I'll give it a gentle stir and then go in with my agushi mixed together with some eggs. You can also feel free to use just eggs and that will be perfect. Okay, after that, stir everything together nicely, cover the stew and allow it to cook very well until the agushi or the akatwa gets ready. So whilst that is going on, I want to still remind you that subscribing is free. So if you haven't still subscribed to the channel yet, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel and also do give this video a thumbs up. And also share this video to your lovely friends and family so they get to see this amazing and inspiring recipe as well. Thank you so much. Now it's time for us to go in with the kontomire to the stew. Let's stir everything together very nicely until well combined. One thing I love about this recipe is how simple but satisfying it is. You don't need too many ingredients to make something delicious, and using brown sweet mackerel makes the cooking process easier while still giving you amazing flavor. This stew can be enjoyed with boiled yam, boiled plantain, rice, cocoyam, banku, or even just by itself. Personally, I love mine with hot yam rice or ripe plantain. I love it so much with ripe plantain. So your stew with whatever you want or you like. Okay, now the stew is almost ready. I have this wele and I love to add it to it as well. You can also omit this totally. The stew is looking absolutely mouth-watering, so you don't need to do too much. Since we have the brown sweet mackerel in it, no need to add in any extra proteins. Okay, now look at how rich and beautiful it turned out. The oil on top, the vibrant kontomire, and those chunks of brown sweet mackerel makes the dish look so appetizing. If you try this recipe, trust me, your family will love it so much. It's comforting, flavorful, and perfect for any day of the week. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. Don't forget to use brown sweet products in all your cooking. Happy cooking and God bless you for watching. Bye.
Blessings shining from above.